mag-try na lang kami ng ibang flavor. Check shower mat. Dali. Ito mo. Ayan, ito mo. Itong klaseng yogurt na nabili natin, walang Yogobella. Kasi ibang shop to. Shop to dito sa Netherlands. Hindi kami nakapunta ng Polish shop, baka sarado na kasi pagdating namin doon kasi medyo malayo yung biyahe namin. So mag-try na lang kami ng ibang flavor. Ito, try nga natin ito maliit. Okay bang ano? Ayan na ba ako? It's okay? Maybe there. Maybe there. Ganap daw kami uling. You go. Napilayan ko siya kahapon, guys. Nagigilty tuloy ako kasi nasipa ko yung pagkamay niya. Careful with little baho, don't put in the needle. Why you always buy too much? I drink Nakita niya yung ano, uling. What's it here? No shower mat here, baho. Can you check shower mat? Check with shower mat here. Yes, si Ryle ay nadudula sa ano? Sa bathtub. Wala yata din eh. Hanap tayo sa iba. Shower mat. Hanap tayo sa iba. Oh. Don't touch. Kuha na ka tayo isang beans para ihalo natin sa pagkain. Hindi si Daddy. Nagpunta yung tatay mo. Mawala na. Yung tatay mo to. Una makita ang tatay mo, anak. Ha? Nawala ng tatay mo. Ano naman nagpunta yun? Ay, ayun, kita mo. Saan na naman nakarating, oy. Saan na? Wala na naman. Daddy! Nasaan Daddy? Daddy! Daddy! Ang dami naming ano eh. Ang dami naming tinapay. Sasayang na naman. You want salad? You make salad? No, we buy salad.
We have this chicken, sausage.
Sausage again. Why you buy sausage? You still have sausage. Oh. Ay, eto pala oh. So almost the same, but I buy one pack.
Salad, we buy salad.
Huh? I think this one is better, baho.
Oh.
No? Don't buy cucumber, I have cucumber. Ay, eto. Bye bye pumpkin, palital baho. Ha? What's that, salami? Ha? Seafood. No. No, I don't like. No skin, I don't like. Mayonnaise, a little na lang. A little. A little. Huh? Maybe not. Maybe not.
You want?
You still have rice? Yeah? You want this small? Cheaper or this? How much that? That, how much? Huh? How you get? Little bao eat. A little nga lang, not too much. Let's go na. It's nice orange. Huh? I think this. How much? No more. Yeah. It's too much na yan, baho. Yeah. Where you go? Mahal naman. 6.99 euro. Domo na tayo. Domo. Let's go na lang. Ha? May salad. Bayad, daddy. So much. We can wait you here. Magbayad na si daddy. Ano yan?